So guys, it's Danny here with So Amazing Cleaning, and we are currently working on a move out. So I wanted to show you guys when cleaning the laundry room, deep cleaning the laundry room during a move out. So I'm going to show you before, and then I'm going to wipe certain things and show you how that's actually done.
SoAmazingCleaning.com. No job is too big or small for SoAmazingCleaning.com. SoAmazingCleaning.com. Contact us if you wanna clean up the mess. Then you must use our service, cause we are licensed and well insured company. Book us on SoAmazingCleaning.com. It's dirty. SoAmazingCleaning.com. Book us on SoAmazingCleaning.com. If it's dirty. SoAmazingCleaning.com. No job is too big or small for SoAmazingCleaning.com.
So as you can see right here, these are the baseboards, and what we did to prepare it, we went ahead and sprayed our solution on it. So you should just be able to wipe. A lot of times when we're doing move outs, we like to go ahead and prepare the area and have the solution sit while we're focusing on something else, and then we kind of come back to it, and it just makes it a lot easier. As you guys can see, that's just one pass of a wipe after spraying the solution, how it just easily just wipes off, and now it's pretty much clean. We just go back up and make sure has that perfect finish to it. But I want to go ahead and show you guys also, that's the baseboards. So when cleaning off the actual washer and dryer, as you guys see, there's dust and buildup on that. We went ahead and sprayed this also, so you want to go ahead and just